The Brabus brand has always been into building high-performance supercars, which are spin-offs of the Mercedes-Benz automobiles for more than 40 years now. The most contemporary examples of this long tradition under the label of the Brabus Masterpiece is the new Brabus ROCKET 900, one of 10. It is a limited edition of just 10 vehicles that are expected to be built in the high-end Brabus manufacturing in Bottrop, based on the GT63 S4 Plus. About Brabus. Brabus GmbH is a German-based high-performance automobile aftermarket tuning company that was founded in 1977 in Bottrop. Located in the industrial Ruhr area, the company originally specialized in Mercedes-Benz, Maybach and smart vehicles. Although in 2022 it was a first for the company, it also churned out 2 Porsches and even a Rolls-Royce. Brabus is also reputed as the largest Mercedes-Benz tuner, second only to the likes of Mercedes AMG, a subsidiary of the Mercedes-Benz Group since the 1990s. Brabus has designed many G-class vehicles before the design of the ROCKET 900 series. Some of the most iconic ones include Mercedes-Benz G36, Brabus G3.6, the Brabus G55 AMG K8, and the Brabus GV12. The Brabus 800 Widestar is another more influential design under the category, with its power source being a 4-liter 8-cylinder twin-turbo engine. Theoretical attainable top speed for the vehicle is electronically limited to 240 km/h. Brabus's primary market focus is maximizing car performance through the increase of horsepower and movement. Customers can directly buy modified cars from Brabus or send their cars for customization. The ROCKET 900. At the center of the Brabus top-of-the-line automobile selection is the revolutionary Brabus ROCKET 900. It is equipped with a bi-turbo V8 increased displacement engine, which is the fundamental reason behind its augmentation to 4.5 liters, and its modern high-performance forced induction system that is capable of delivering a peak output of 662 kWh or 900 horsepower or around 888 bhp. With a dynamic combination with a SpeedShift MCT 9-speed sports transmission and an all-wheel drive, the 4-seater mechanical beast can sling itself from the rest to 100 km/h in just 2.8 seconds. The powerful engine can produce a peak torque of 1,250 Nm, but its application is limited in the vehicle to 1,050 Nm. Another important feature of the Brabus ROCKET 900 is its tires. To control the tremendous power of the vehicle's increased displacement engine, it is equipped with a comparatively wider monoblock Z wheels with diameters of 21 inches on the front and 22 inches on the rear axle. They limit the maximum attainable speed of the tires to 330 km/h. These high-performance tires are supplied by their technology partner, Pirelli. These tires also need a lot of extra space, and so the Brabus designers developed a carbon widebody with exemplary styling. The aerodynamic enhancement components of the vehicle were conceived in a wind tunnel, and hence they can produce more downforce and thus augment the handling stability at high speeds. To give the supercar a unique and extravagant Brabus look, the designers created the beautifully styled ROCKET widebody for the 4-door coupe, and the components are manufactured from high-strength but lightweight carbon. The vehicle front features wider fenders than its previous versions, supported by integrated sweeping flares. At the position of the rear axle, carbon flares add a total of 7.8 cm to the overall width of the GT. This also includes tailor-made fender lines forged by Kevlar. The aerodynamics play a discerning role in the speed ranges of the new supercar. Hence, the ROCKET is developed from carbon front fascia, which permits a perfect transmission to the wider carbon front fenders. The larger air intakes adequately supply the engine, and the front brakes with fresh air from time to time. The integrated air intake system into the radiator grille is a component of the ram air intake system. It also helps reduce the front axle lift. The fuel supply of the behemoth engine is modified with special high-pressure pumps. The exhaust area uses a unique but robust Brabus stainless steel high-performance quad exhaust system, which allows a free flow of metal catalysts. It was specifically produced for the GT floor plan. The system not only helps in reducing the exhaust back pressure, but is also stainless. Also features some exhaust flaps for electronically controlled sound management. From the cockpit, the driver is given the choice between the smooth coming home mode and, depending on the prevailing driving mode, a comparably powerful 8-cylinder exhaust mode. The fine electronic engine control unit had to be recalibrated to match the new hardware of a mapping system for injection. The ignition and the boost pressure control was developed after an extensive series of tests on engine test benches. The electronic engine control unit had to be recalibrated to match the new hardware of a mapping system for injection. The ignition and boost pressure control was developed after an extensive series of tests on engine test branches, including the all-wheel drive rolling roads, as well as on the test drivers both on and off the track. These stringent measures not only allow optimal power delivery but also comply with strict Euro 6D ISC FCM emission standards. Customer reception. The Brabus allows custom interiors for the Rocket 900 series of vehicles. The total cost of the vehicle is expected to be $875,000 American dollars, which may be a bit beyond most budgets. However, its target range of customers is expected to be satisfied.